stage 12, the end of stage 12 of the Monte Carlo Rally. That is Thierry Neuville. Problems with the front right damper. We heard about that in the service. They've worked very, very hard. It came through the top mount. They've worked very hard to repair that. It looks like they've managed to repair it. Have a look down here. Look, see all the cable ties. That's very often the savior of a rally driver. They have fixed it, or they fixed something. They're going to get back on the road section. They're going to get going again. Fingers crossed, because as we know, Tanak is already out for the day. These guys have got to do their best to get through the next stage and then all the way back down to Monte Carlo.